Okay, you guys, so my sweet crackers, everybody always asks for this recipe. Here is the recipe. So this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need the club crackers. You're gonna need 2 trays that I cover in foil, and I do spray these with Pam. Very important. You're going to need sliced almonds. You're gonna need that much butter, which I think is 1 cup, 2 sticks. Half a cup of sugar, and then you're going to need half a teaspoon of vanilla, right? We're gonna lay all of the crackers out on this 2 trays and then show you what we do next. Okay, all set. This is almost 1 whole box, maybe 5 or 6 crackers left over that I eat. Now we're gonna put this on the stove, get it melted. So get this on the stove, add your sugar, and then we're gonna melt this all. But then you're gonna get it all melty, but you're gonna bring it to a boil, you guys. Bring it to a boil for a minute, stir it, and then add your vanilla. Take it off the flame. Okay, so this part is quick, guys. You gotta move fast. So you're gonna spoon your butter sugar mixture with the vanilla over the top of your crackers. Try to get every cracker covered with some butter. It doesn't have to be complete, but I try to get some butter on every single cracker. And this is really a simple process, you guys, but you just have to move fast, all right? Instead of just dumping it all, I spoon it all over the top because I just find that it's easier to do it this way. And now we're gonna sprinkle our almonds over the top. Now, the recipe, you guys, calls for, I don't know how many nuts. I am very generous. So I just want to make sure that there are nuts on top of every single cracker. So when these bake in the oven, you guys, it's going to get all bubbly and sugary and golden brown. So I just want to make sure that I get nuts on every single cracker. So I'm using more than the recipe calls, just so you know. Okay, we are out of the oven. They're super, super hot. Now, if I didn't say this before, 350 degrees, all right, for about 8 to 10 minutes. If they're not golden brown at 8, leave them in for another minute, but don't walk away because they will burn really fast on you. So this is 2 trays. When they're completely cool, you just break them apart and store them in Tupperware.